Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for beginners. Let's start by exploring the user interface. DaVinci Resolve is organized into 7 main pages, each dedicated to a specific part of the post-production workflow. You'll begin on the media page to import your footage, then move to the cut or edit page for assembling your video. Understanding these distinct workspaces is crucial for a smooth editing experience. Once your media is imported, head over to the Edit page. Here, you'll create a new timeline, which is your canvas for storytelling. Drag and drop your clips onto the timeline to begin. Focus on mastering fundamental editing techniques like cutting, trimming, and ripple editing. These tools allow you to precisely adjust clip durations and positions, ensuring your video flows seamlessly from one shot to the next. Now, let's dive into the powerful Color page. This is where you can transform the look and feel of your footage. Start with primary corrections, adjusting exposure, contrast, and white balance to achieve a natural, balanced image. Experiment with the color wheels and curves to fine-tune your visuals. Even basic color grading can significantly elevate the professional quality of your video project. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Navigate to the Deliver page, where you'll find all the export settings. Select your desired format, codec, and resolution, such as H.264 for web or ProRes for higher quality. You can choose from various presets for platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. After configuring your settings, simply add it to the render queue and click Start Render to export your finished video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.